आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। आई एम जस्ट वेरी वेरी ऑनर्ड कि आपने मुझे आज इनवाइट किया। एंड आई वाज फाइन अरुण, एक सेशन पहले तक, एंड आई थिंक द रैप दैट वी जस्ट हर्ड, आई एम काइंड ऑफ अ लिटिल ओवरवेल्म्ड विद दिस, सो आई होप आई कैन रीड व्हाट आई हैव रिटन without without I mean basically I hope I can finish to read what I've written. थोड़ा सा कॉन्टेक्स्ट, मैं बहुत ही नेसेंट रीसेंट राइटर हूँ और मैंने लिखना लॉकडाउन में शुरू किया क्योंकि कुछ चीज़ें जो ऑब्जर्व हो रही थी वो कुछ ज़्यादा होने लगी और जो मन में आया बस लिख दिया। ये जो आज मैं पढ़ने जा रही हूँ इसका कॉन्टेक्स्ट एक्चुअली काफ़ी सालों से है, जब मैं डेवलपमेंट सेक्टर में नई नई आई और मैंने रियलाइज़ किया कि हमारे वर्ल्ड एक्सपीरियंसेस कितना हमारे हमारे प्रिविलेज से इन्फ्लुएंस्ड होते हैं। तो फ्रॉम मी दिस इज़ व्हाट आई हैड नोटेड डाउन। थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग एंड here it is. Pouring rains, pleasant breeze, grey skies, joyful heart, lounging on my couch, surrounded by my entire family with a hot cup of chai and some garam pakoras, maybe. If feeling adventurous, step out to feel the drops on my cheeks, get drenched in the joys of blessings that nature is bestowing upon us. Run back in, quick shower, warm clothes with mother loudly yelling again. सर्दी हो गई तो क्या करेंगे? Pouring rains, pleasant breeze, grey skies, heavy heart, sitting on my single bed with my entire family, watching the dirty water fill up my single room, praying that it stops pouring maybe. If it doesn't, step off the cot once again to fill up the buckets of water and throw out of the door, even though it doesn't seem to be helping. Drenched to the bone, hours in wet clothes with nothing much to eat, mother quietly asks me again, पानी रुका नहीं तो क्या करेंगे? When the pandemic struck, I had to significantly upgrade my Wi-Fi package to accommodate 4 users in the family because office and schools had worked parallelly. I didn't think twice. It was important to stay connected now without interruption after all. Add to it Netflix, YouTube, all the entertainment that was so important to. After long hours of work, we needed some respite, no? And then Ashif called. Ashif runs an NGO called Jan Sahas. He called. The migrants had begun to walk. The professional need took over. I started noting down, making copious notes, discussing fundraising. Jan Sahas क्या कर रहा है? बताओ क्या जरूरत है? What is the biggest need now? And he said, 10 rupees per migrant, Nagma ji, for 10,000 migrants. कोशिश कर रहे हैं, कुछ हो सके तो कर देना. As I just stayed shocked, he told me the walking migrants had no money to recharge their mobiles. So hungry, exhausted, and unsure about how far they had traveled, they were now also completely cut off from their loved ones and everyone who possibly cared for them. और ये किसके लिए? 10 रुपए के लिए. We just need prepaid recharge of 10 rupees, so we are trying to speak to funders for it. सारे पेपर वर्क जमा कर रहे हैं. जैसे आशिफ ये बताता गया ना, it came clear to me. These small episodes, they become vipers to my windscreen. And I'm caught wondering about the reason, once again, why one person is a migrant and one is a millionaire. For me, it's pretty clear. It's the accident of birth. We never recover from it. Some of us strike gold in this lottery. Some spend their entire lives simply trying to live. Depending on how lucky our draw is, we get to assume identities. बहुत साल हो गए, many years ago, when the boys, I have 2 boys, they were very young. I had a wonderful young woman who had joined us in our family to help me raise the kids. Belonging to a family of migrants from interior Karnataka, Savitri, with a bright smile, twinkling eyes, loud laugh, this woman child really, this child at heart. Within a month of her joining us, we said, chalo jate hain, lazy Saturday evening, and we found ourselves on the beautiful Worli sea face. And as I fussed over the 2 brats who were running around with joy, I found her staring at the ocean with her mouth wide open. I can't get rid of that vision. मैंने कहा क्या हुआ सावित्री? एंड शी लुक्ड एट मी एंड सेड, दीदी दुनिया में इतना सारा पानी है. I realized she had never even seen a lake before. पानी तो बहुत है. There is enough water. There are enough resources and enough of many things for all of us, many times over. But it's not enough for our selfishness or our mounting greed. So now when it pours, think about it. किसकी बारिश है ये? Thank you.